So in this video we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification for the year 2021-2022 that has come out from Gujarat University Ahmedabad. So welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So today we are going to discuss about the Gujarat University Ahmedabad PhD notification, a PhD admission notification. So here more than 680 seats are available for the PhD in 75 subjects. Obviously there are full-time and part-time PhD programs are available. So in this video we are going to cover all the details of this notification and the detailed procedure of this admission process. So watch this video till the end so that you will get all the notification completely without skipping the video. Okay, so and also without any further delay, let's get started. So here are our official YouTube channel. You can see our past videos. Okay, and we are making the videos in different PhD, UG, PG admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So please subscribe our channel. So let's go to the official YouTube channel of this Gujarat University. As you can see, we're into the official website. So if you just scroll down, there you can see a notification that is news alert that PhD admission 2021. If you click on this, you will come to this page. So this is the dedicated page for the PhD entrance admission, and here all the details are given. We will go to each details one by one. So there is a little bit different procedure from the other university. You need to purchase a pin before applying it. So we'll discuss this later in this video only. So please keep watching this video. And this is also very important. Okay, alright. So let's see what are the important dates. As you can see, there is an online purchase of pin. Alright, so it is from 27th to 5th. Okay, so there you can check. So you can check the other important dates are available here. We'll check the examination details here. Okay, so let's go to the other notifications. So this is little bit information available in Gujarati. So if you are comfortable with the Gujarati, you can check the details here. So let's go to the notification details. So we'll make this video very short, so please watch this video till the end. So here we are into this details notification for this. So there is a application fee that is 750 rupees, that is completely non-refundable. Okay, so let's see some of the important things I need to show here. Alright, so the doctoral program to the degree of PhD shall be offered in the following faculties. Okay, these are some of the subjects: arts, commerce, management, education, journalism and communication, law, medicine, dental and other pharmaceutical subjects such as psychotherapy, physical education, science including computer science. So we'll detail the detail of this subjects are shown in this video only. We'll cover that in a short while now. So let's see what are some other important things. Okay, so I am skipping this part. If you want, you can pause the video and check. Yes, so there are now 3 types of PhD program that is available. One is full-time, part-time and independent research. Okay, so full-time scholars are expected to work on the regular basis of the entire PhD program in the respective subjects, departments and place the assignment by their university. Okay, so it is for the full-time. Alright, so let's see what are the part-time. Part-time is similarly things, but the times will be little more. And what about the independent research? So the Honorable VC may permit the candidate for fulfilling the other common eligibility conditions of the Gujarat University having at least 5 years of teaching experience at the university, college or research institute, having at least 5 good quality publications, single author in Scopus, Web of Science, UGC listed journals. Alright, so you need to have a very good teaching experience along with the Scopus publications and Web of Science publication or UGC listed journal publications. Alright, in the recommendation of RDC, RAC or RRC BUTR, the RDC, RAC or RRC BUTR shall ensure the level of research and academic flexibility to the candidates to pursue the research independently. Okay, so this you need to be careful if you are applying for the independent research category. Alright, so generally as per the other university program, Gujarat University is also following the same things. It is having a 55% mark. Okay, so there you can check the other details here, and there will be also 5% relaxation for the reserve categories. This is SC/ST category. Okay, so let me show you some other important things. So let me go below. So now we are into the procedure of the admission. The number of available seats for each subject for PhD program in the university shall be decided well in advance in the notice of the university website. Okay, so these things you need to have. So there will be a common entrance test for all the eligible candidates who are interested for this PhD admission in the Gujarat University. So both for full-time and part-time as well as the independent research, both are that means all three are needed to appear the common entrance test. Those who qualify in the common entrance test have to appear in the personal round interview, that is Viva Voice. Okay, so similarly you need to have you need to keep all your documents like different your certificates things while you are showing in a Viva Voice, right? So who will be exempted from this entrance test? Let us see. So the candidates having one of the following qualifications shall be exempted, like so qualified SCT, UGC NET, CSIR NET, JRF, TRF entrance test will be exempted. MPhil degree holder whose admission has done through the entrance test of Gujarat University, they will be also exempted. MPhil program other than UGC recognized university whose admission has been done through entrance test, they will be also exempted, right? So candidates who are granted fellowship or scholarship from state or central government agencies, they will be also exempted. And the candidates having CAT or GATE more than 75 percentile, that is 75% score only in the management technology, they will be also exempted. Okay, so some candidates will be directly they can apply for the program without entrance test. There you can check. So mostly like the JRF, CSIR, this kind of fellowship if you have, you can directly apply it, right? So there will be, as I have told you, there will be an entrance test. So part 1 and part 2 will be there. All will be an MCQ of 50-50 questions each. Okay, so there you need to have a secure of minimum 50% marks and aggregate, alright, if you want to qualify the entrance test. And there will be also a personal interview. So there all the details are given here. So I am skipping this part. Let's see what are the other important things available here. So there you can check the duration of the program. That is full time, it is 3 years. Part time, it is 4 years. Independent research also, it is for 4 years. Okay. So language of thesis will be English. Alright. So I'm skipping this part. So there will be some structure of fee for the PhD program. That admission fee, we already known that it is 750 rupees. Okay, registration fee to be paid. So 1000 rupees for Indian scholars and 3000 rupees for non-Indian nationals. So there will be a tuition fee and term fee. So all included it is 7,900 rupees, and for the foreign national it is 30,000 rupees, 30,600 rupees. Okay, so there you can check the payment details. so I am skipping this part. You can check the other details here. Alright, so I know this video is little bit longer, but we are covering this notifications very detailed, so please watch this video till the end. So here are some of the seats available. Let me see the seat matrix for you. You can check the subjects. No, this is not the seat, this is the subjects. Okay, so these are the subjects available. You can check the respective subjects. We'll see the seat matrix after this. So there you can check 80 subjects. Basically it is 75 subjects, but it is in details it is given. So there are 80 number of points. So there you can check the seat details. Let me zoom this so that you can watch this very clearly. Like this, it is 2, it is library for information, it is 2, Gujarati it is 12, labor welfare, like this. All total seats are available. Okay, different seats for different PhD program. The 75 program it is available. You can check the details. So in the beginning I have told you there will be a PIN number. So once you come to this page, okay, so in the very top menu you can check on PIN purchase. So once you click on this, you will come to this page. It is purchase of PIN, that is for 750 rupees. First you put your name, mobile number, email ID, image, then pay now. Once you click on the pay now, then you can proceed for the details. Okay, so if you click on the new registration, so what are the important documents you need? Photo, signature, and all the certificate xerox. Basically it must be around 100 KB to 400 KB. So once you created the PIN, now you come to the login page. So registration number, PIN number, it is already you have purchased, serial number, and every details are given. Once you click on this, you can proceed for the registration. So I hope you like this information about this PhD admission notification from Gujarat University. It's a very old university. Okay, so if you like this information, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and do not forget to comment below I like this video and share this video with your friends, colleagues and students. So please join our Telegram channel and other social media handles. Links are in the description, so that you will get all the latest notifications while we are posting the videos. If you are interested for other videos, you can check our past videos here in our YouTube channel, University Study Guide. Okay, you can check our past videos. We are making the videos related to different PhD admissions in reputed universities in India and abroad. So with this, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.